parang ang dami pa sanang pwede mo maipakita inside the house. Pero, where you were inside the house, what are the misconceptions that is being thrown at you that hurts you the most until now?
The usual that they are saying about me now is backstabber, manipulative. I think those are the main two. Ako personally, nasaktan po ako at first, but there is a way to turn things, to look at it in a positive way, na, constructive criticism po talaga. And I try to live my life half glass full all the time as much as I can. But in terms of the things that they're saying about me, I believe, again, there are different, people take things differently. They have different definitions to certain words. But I know I confronted what I had said. If I had said something, ako po mismo yung lalapit sa tao and will fix it because I don't like that I said that not to them. But, yun po, whatever they're saying about me, I know the resolve ko po agad. And in that house, we were okay. Yun po yung nagulat ako kasi paglabas ko, they were talking about an issue that had happened 2 weeks before. So it was something that wasn't a big deal in the house anymore, pero dito naging big deal po. So I'm just trying to approach it now with my life, that if there are other situations that will happen, I will approach it in a different way, because I may have done something wrong, but I'm just trying to be better. And that's really how life is. We always try to grow and be better po.
Wala bang mga iniyakan ka ng mga issues?
Mas naiyak po ako kasi nasaktan po si mami. It's very hard. It was hard for her. Kasi sa loob, sobrang alam ko na po na people won't like me. But I was able to handle it. Kasi she raised me to be strong. And I've gone through all the bashing. Magta 10 years na po kasi ako dito. So I know a lot of people don't like people talaga. But for her, na mag-isa po siya dito sa labas, she doesn't know what truly is happening inside. She's watching also just as a casual viewer. And then all of these people are saying things about me, and also saying things about her, na nadamay po po siya. Doon po ako nasaktan. Yeah, it was hard kasi I knew she was going through that by herself. So paglabas ko po, I really just tried to be as strong as I can for her because I don't want her to see that I'm not okay. So, dun po ako nasaktan ako. First time crying. Kakastar lang po, kayo po yung pinakauna. Hindi ko agad.
Nakatawa kami ng tawa ni AC. Tapos nakita ko na lang si AC na buti na lang, meron akong handang tissue dito.
So, hindi scripted yung pag-iyak ni AC, ah?
Hindi scripted kasi yung tissue na yan,
Wala
para sa
po.
pawis.
Wala po tiyak na scripted for me. Wala po talaga.
Isang bonus question na lang, AC. How do you feel na si Darren, your best friend, yung unang nag-defend sa'yo when you were being bashed by netizens?
He knows me the best po kasi. He knows whatever was happening inside wasn't truly what was going on. And I appreciate him for stepping up because that takes a lot of guts po talaga to speak up in front of people. And I thank them. I thank them so many times. Every day umiyak ako sa kanya. And I love that guy. I love that guy. Alam niyo din po yan, people have misconceptions also about our friendship because of how deep it is. But that's why it's so good. Because it's something that people can't believe. And I'm so grateful for him forever. And I don't want people to think also na tinatolerate niya po ako because he defended me. No, pinagsabihan niya din po ako. And he tells me off normally po talaga. So, that's my best friend and I appreciate him very, very much.
Okay, thank you and good luck.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Ate Janice. O, di ba? Grabe.
Ang aga mo.
Ang aga para maging emotional. Pero alam mo, nung sinasagot mo yung tanong mo about na mas nasaktan ng mom mo for you, syempre, di ba, marami tayong mga friends sa mga social media accounts natin. May nabasa ako na parang isa sa mga kasama natin from ABS-CBN, parang mga katrabaho mo sa ASAP. Tapos sinasabi nila, Mommy, hindi nila kilala si AC. Ayan, at least at tayo alam natin, kaya laban lang, Mommy. Pino-comfort nila ang mama while
Yes.
you're still inside the house.
Yes.
Nakita mo yun?
Sobrang appreciative din po ako sa mga staff po. Everybody knows mo po kasi my mom. My mom was always my +1 when I was a minor. And she visits po talaga all my friends, all the staff. She says, she knows everyone. So everybody knows her also. So and they know how much she gets hurt. So when I was inside, I'm just so thankful for everyone who comforted her also. po.
Iyon. Ako, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Keep your comments coming, mga kapamilya. Again, don't forget to use our official hashtag for today. Hashtag Star Magic Spotlight. Susunod, ang magtatanong mula naman sa Kapamilya Vines, si Mikey Viñas. Ako na daw magtanong for you. And the question goes like this. Ayan. Sino sa mga housemates na nakasama mo ang pinaka-namimiss mo na?
Pinaka namimiss ko si Charlie. Number one ko po talaga si Charlie. She was my first duo. And also, parang first sa mga kapuso na naging close po ako. And she has so much growth that she can do. She's also so smart. And what happened during that first week, di ko alam kung nakita niyo po, may nangyari po kasi. And I never wanted her to doubt herself. And I could see myself.
Is it about the fried chicken na nahulog?
Hindi po.
Meron pang iba pa?
Hindi po yung pinagsabihan po ni Ate Ivana si Charlie.
O parang yun ata yun
Yun
sa
po ba yun?
chicken. Oo, na tinapon. Tapos
Ah,
iba
yun
na yung
na.
nagkul. Nanonood.
Iba po eh. Iba. Ang dami po
Oo.
nangyari that week mismo.
Okay.
And I just felt so bad for the girl because she's 16. There's so much growth in her po talaga. There's so much she needs to learn pa. And I just wanted to be her ate. Because it's been a while since I've been an ate. So I wanted to be her ate.
Napanood ko yan, yung sa room with Kira.
Yes, ma'am.
At sa parang ikaw yung nag-a-advise sa kanya. Ay, nagmamaka-ate ka na. At ikaw yung bagets.
Yes! Oh! So I'm starting to feel old na.
Ayan, thank you for answering. Next question mula pa rin kay Mikey Viñas. Sabi niya, now that you're back in the outside world, what can we and your fans expect from you?
Growth. On a personal level, now you guys know me as a human being na nagkakamali din po ako, na I'm not perfect, na may mga times na I will accidentally say things that I don't have the intention of it being in a bad way. But know that I'm trying to be better and I'm really taking in all of your concerns and comments about me. But yeah, that's all I can do from now on. Just know that I'm listening. I'm listening to you guys.
Totoo, ayan. So yung mga aabangan.
There's a lot of crossover with GMA right now, which I'm so
Wow.
happy. Nag-open po yung doors dahil sa PBB collab na I get to guest on GMA na, and it's nice to be going around there and switching from ABS to GMA. Yun po, slowly, you'll see.
Totoo, nakita ko yung TikTok lang casting ninyo ni Ashley.
Opo, ang saya!
Dance kayo doon para talaga napanindigan nyo yung COA at si Nacha.
Si Nacha lang.
Diba? May mga ganon. May mga ganong
Those are
lumalabas
the
na
best
mga
duos.
hits. Yes,
Yes.
oo. Thank you, Actor.